Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Melany, and I'm your hostess, and I want to share with you a very amazing business model that we have put together for collaboration, and so that you can meet people from all around the world and build beautiful and amazing business relationships and personal relationships. This is definitely something that I'm super excited to share. So every brand does tell a story. Let's create your story today, and together we do fly high. Why the Eagles? The Eagles actually inspired me during the pandemic. They would perch themselves right in front of my apartment, and I could see that they are resilient, powerful, and they never falter in who or what they are and what they symbolize in the animal kingdom. They know exactly what they want and they know how to get it. So eagles are very powerful. This is definitely a website that has a blockchain look and feel that we have created. It's www.digitaleagle.ca. And it's because we do live in a digital era. Now, as we know, everything has been going digital these days, and including currency. And so there's lots of different topics that we can talk about from week to week. But basically what I'm here to do is be a guide for you and help you to assist at spreading your wings so that you can fly. And by bringing clarity and resources to your goals. So maybe your goal is to have an online store, or maybe your goal is to have your own webinar series, or have a YouTube channel, or have a following, or have people supporting you each and every week in whatever it is that you're doing and whatever project that you have going on. We're all about people, planet, and prosperity. A lot of the projects that we're working on at this present moment are projects that have some connection to helping to preserve and save, of course, Mother Earth, because we all want to live a very beautiful life in this planet together. And by protecting it and nurturing it, it's actually helping everybody, and we can make a difference that way. So there's lots of amazing projects that we're all working on as entrepreneurs. And I've been an entrepreneur since I was 5 years old. I didn't fit in the system that we were trained to fit into, going to school, getting a job, being limited to a certain capacity in terms of what we're able to do. I've always been a big doer and a big dreamer, and somebody that has a lot of passion for life, and also helping other people to succeed and working as a team. I thrive in a team environment where all of us can be using our skills that are basically our God-given talent and gifts to make the project that we're working on a success. And I absolutely love every single team member that we have within our community right now. So as you see on the far bottom right corner, this logo, Empowerment Movement, it really is an empowerment movement, and we want you to be part of it. We want you to be on our webinar series every Thursday night at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We changed the time so that East Coast folks could come on and have a way to connect with people as well, because we realized that 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time was a little bit late for some of the people in other parts of the world. This is a business overview. So what's going to happen is, after you've seen this overview, then you'll be wanting to come on and connect with other like-minded individuals within our community. And those people come on every week from around the globe, and they change, but they lead in different areas. So it's really exciting because we have a number of different topics that we hone in on our webinar series each and every week. So we cover health and wellness, we cover personal growth and development, the environment, the financial industry. Even though I don't have a financial background, I work with a lot of people who do have financial backgrounds, and we do not do any selling on this series. So the only thing that I will say is that it's people, real people sharing real life stories and communicating in a real life fashion, but people that are stepping up into their leadership and leading in these different categories. So health and wellness, personal growth and development, environment, financial industry, real estate, and of course, humanity. The word charity is overplayed, but charity would fall into this category. So we are always recruiting leaders that want to really get into their leadership role and come on and share what it is that they're working on to either make themselves better, make the world better, and to help, of course, make other people better. So this is a platform that's built for your success. It's built for you so that you can come on and find your connections from around the globe and build these beautiful holistic relationships that are going to help you thrive at the game of life. And so it's more than just a marketing company. It's actually an online community for creating positive world change. So super excited to have you with us today. So you're definitely invited, and please bring some other experts along with you because we definitely want the best. So amazing experts, and of course in health and wellness. So we talk about healthy eating, we talk about nutritional coaching, we talk about organic eating, we talk about supplements, mental health initiatives, subconscious programming. We also talk about personal growth and development. We talk about business coaching. We talk about reprogramming, positive thinking, collaboration and creation, and so much more. We also talk about the environment. We talk about how hemp is something that you can actually manufacture and pretty much make everything out of. So from coffee cups to cars to homes, and every time we plant a hemp plant, of course, it has a positive impact on the environment. So we really are about people, planet, and prosperity. So carbon energy, sustainable projects, electric car drives, deliveries, ocean cleanup initiatives, and finances. So this is the part where I have to give a disclaimer on that. I am not taking any money from anyone that comes on the webinar series. I'm not promoting any sort of currency or digital currency. We're here to simply educate in these areas and educate people how they can create passive income. They can learn more about digital currency. They can hear about other people's experiences with investments and how to create MSIs. Everybody should have a few MSIs in their life. What is an MSI? It's a multiple stream of income. Finder's fees, how to receive and give finder's fees in a professional way, and how to connect the entrepreneur to the investor or an angel investor to the project, or how to connect to a group of investors that are looking to invest in specific projects. And of course, if you are an investor, looking at different ways that you can invest your money to grow your wealth. And of course, every single person that gives a referral to anyone within our community will receive a referral fee. This happens, and it's very professional because it's our way of saying we have integrity and we are going to give back for what you've provided us with, because people work extremely hard for their connections. Real estate. So sustainable buildings, farming projects, local housing, overseas projects, industry updates, organic farm initiatives, and investing with zero down. All of this is covered by leaders that have done a lot of these types of projects in their life, and they come on as guest speakers onto the webinar series. Plus, we also do what's called speed networking, which is basically everyone has a certain amount of time where they can talk and introduce themselves to the community by introducing who they are and who will they become, and of course, their why, so that the community can then support and humanity. So it's people supporting people, it's a conscious shift, and it's also sharing healing technology that can help everyone, and giving back and reality giving. What is reality giving? It's actually like watching a reality TV series. However, the only difference is you can actually watch the change occur in someone's life when you truly make a difference and give back. So it's very remarkable. And it is a collaboration model. So it's all about collaborating rather than competition. So we're here to help our clients grow their own wings so that they can fly. And we work with people who want to leverage their networks and to help others succeed instead of just looking after their own self-serving interests. And what we found is that when you collaborate and give back, and you're helping others, you're always giving back so much more than you ever thought possible to receive. And yeah, big concepts, amazing experts, week to week. Our weekly overview on our webinar does change and our weekly meetings change, but the culture and the heart of it and the backbone of it stays the same. So that will be something that we continue to emphasize as time goes on, is really acknowledging the leaders that come in every single week that keep showing up. And it's absolutely magical what we're creating here. And it's also a success platform. So what that means is that I'm having massive success right now in my life. So what I want is, I want for all of my team members and the people within our community to also have massive success, because we know one thing: success is contagious, and winners want to be around other winners, and eagles definitely want to fly high with other eagles. So what I can tell you on a daily basis is, this is usually the mind of a marketer, and we are helping with the branding, the design, the advertising, the strategy, the value, the identity, the trust, marketing, and of course the logo and the image. What does your logo and your image say about you? As I've already explained about the digital eagle, and of course the empowerment movement, because right now I'm on a roll to empower as many people as I possibly can by giving them what I can and helping to do what I do best, which is connect with others and to help make the world better, and to give my power and energy for the greater good to make a difference. So these are the whys behind what I'm doing. So everything we can help you with: websites, pitch decks, webinars, logos, slogans, taglines, PowerPoint presentations, marketing campaigns, joint venture partners, collaborators, and investors. And you have access to capital, grants, or loans. People, Planet, and Prosperity is a model to help make the world a better place. So thank you so much. And today it's all about starring in your own movie. So you are the director and the maker of the movie of your life. Are you going to take the blue pill? Or are you going to take the red pill? What do you want to create for yourself? How do you want to show up? And what does your perfect life look and feel like? Because if you don't like your life the way it is right now, you have the power to change it by changing your thoughts. And I am Melany Wins, and I am a certified Bob Proctor graduate. And Bob Proctor taught me so many things, but what he taught me was change your mind, change your thoughts, change your life, and don't let the current circumstances that you have right now determine your outcome, because your life can change, but it starts with you. So thank you so much for listening today, and I will leave you with one quote, and that is, to be a star, you must shine your own light and follow your own path, and don't worry about the darkness, for that is when the stars shine the brightest. There's been many years in my life where I've actually lived in darkness because of what other people thought, or what other people did, or what other people said. You really need to cut that kind of stuff out of your life and really know who you are, and surround yourself with the best people that bring out the best in you. So on any given day, just remember, if you want to change your mindset, you can do it by just changing your thoughts, and of course being in gratitude. And I'm grateful today that you took the time to listen. And Melany Wins, I'll see you every Thursday night at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, like clockwork. And all of our previous shows have been recorded on this YouTube channel, so you'll never skip a beat. You'll never miss a beat. And if you miss one podcast, you can listen to the recording. Thanks again, and make yourself a very happy person by focusing on what you want, and have a magical, blessed day.